When Karen suspects believe they can fight the law by making up their own rules, what goes down?
For staying in honor, and my name is my property on the record.
On August 18th, 2022, the police pulled over a man named Ronald because his car had an expired tag. Instead of listening to the officer and following instructions, Ronald started arguing with both the officer and his girlfriend, trying to explain his own understanding of the law.
Okay, well, you are driving on the roadways in the state of Florida, so I need your driver's license or your identification.
Like I said, I'm not driving.
Okay, well, I am conducting a lawful stop. You are required to present me your identification, so I'll take whatever identification you have.
Okay, I don't carry identification unless someone's going to pay me for my name. My name is registered as my property on the record.
Okay. So what's your name?
Okay. I'm just recording this for the record. I'm not driving or operating a vehicle for hire on the roadways. And my name is my private property. And if you want my name, I'm conditionally accepting your offer so I can stay in honor so you would arrest me. So my conditional acceptance for my name to you is you give me $500 for use of my name.
Echo 13, Auburn 1094, please. Sir, you will be arrested if you do not present some type of identification.
Really?
Excuse me?
I said really?
Yes, sir, really.
Why do I need to provide identification?
You are operating a vehicle on the roadways in the state of Florida. Sir, with all due respect, you're behind the driver's seat, behind the steering wheel. I've been behind.
Even though Ronald is sitting in the driver's seat, he tries to tell the officer that he wasn't driving. He won't give any ID and insists his name is private under Florida's stop and frisk law. But not giving ID when the police ask can lead to getting arrested, just like what happens here.
I'm not driving or operating. That's official.
Okay.
And if you want my name, it's $500 cash.
Okay, go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me.
Sir, I can step out of the vehicle.
You can step out of the vehicle for me.
I'll step out of the vehicle for $500.
Sir, step out of the vehicle. Roll over on your stomach. Okay, sir, at this time you are being placed under arrest. You will be registered as a John Doe until you are properly identified.
But I already said I'm not driving or operating.
Okay, well, yes, sir, you are.
No, I'm not. I'm not driving or operating a vehicle.
Ma'am, do you have a valid driver's license?
I do.
May I see it, please? Thank you.
Can I speak to a supervisor? Because I'm still in honor and you're arresting me. And I'm being fully transparent that I'm not a driver or operator. And if you want my name, I'm conditionally accepting my name.
I also have a request for a supervisor.
Yeah, I've conditionally accepted your offer so I can stay in honor. I'm operating on the honor system. And you're not honoring, now you're in dishonor. And I will prove on the record in court that my name is my property. I've registered it with the county recorder more than 2 years ago. So I hope you're still recording because I have my case number, my filing number, and my
Echo 13 to 5047. Can you come over here, please?
And I was not pulling over. I'm coming here to the printer because they have a print order for me I'm picking up, so I did not pull over.
I need to get him into a car. While I try to get him.
Stand up, man.
I can't.
Roll to your side. Bend your knees up.
Wait, you're hurting me.
Roll to your side.
Yeah, I know, but these cuffs are on too tight.
I'll help you
and
up.
You're hurting me.
All right.
My phone is still recording.
Yes, sir. We'll make sure you have your phone.
But I want that on the record.
Okay. Well, here. As a matter of fact, you can continue recording. I'll stick it in your pocket.
I already conditionally accepted all of his offers for my schedule, and he's in
Anything on your
dishonor.
person before you go back in my car?
This will be his right here. And it's still recording.
I'll answer any questions for $100
Answer
a
this
question
question for
cash.
me. Anything on your person
I
before
will
you go back
answer
in my
that
car?
question for $100
All right, stretch your
cash.
feet for me.
You don't have the right. You can search me for $500 cash. I'm conditionally accepting all of your offers for my fee schedule.
There's no charge for
And
that.
you can, yeah, there is.
It seems like Ronald isn't understanding the situation very well. He's trying to accuse the officer of wrongdoing for just asking questions or doing a search. But he doesn't realize that he's making things worse for himself. If he keeps refusing to cooperate, he'll only make things harder for himself and get into more trouble. Meanwhile, another officer goes to talk to Ronald's girlfriend to find out what's happening. But she's just as confused and clueless as the officer.
Could you fill me on what's going on here?
I don't know. I don't understand his thing. I don't understand that. I don't know.
Okay. How do you know him?
He's my boyfriend.
Okay.
I don't understand all that mumbo jumbo stuff he talks, though.
Oh, you're trained on this at the Fraternal Order of Police. I'm an expert on honor, and I'm in honor.
Okay. What's his name? Is this his vehicle?
From what yeah. I mean, I think his mom is from
Okay. I'll be right back. Thank you.
My name is my property.
Anything on your person that come?
You cannot. You can search me for $500. I'm going to need your name because I'm going to charge you. That's my.
Where's the car?
I did not give you permission to search me without payment. You're violating my rights and my ability to conduct commerce. You're in dishonor now. You can search me for $100.
Spread your feet.
I'll spread my feet for $100.
Spread your feet.
No, you're in dishonor. You know you're violating the rules of honor, and I have done nothing wrong, and I've accepted conditionally accept all of your offers for my fee schedule. Are you recording?
Yep, everything is recorded.
You're violating my rights. I have done nothing wrong. I'm in honor, and you're violating all my rights. I'm in honor, and you're violating all my rights.
Come on inside.
I will come over there for $100.
Let's go.
Look, man, you're assaulting me.
Because you're resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting if I'm conditionally accepting all of your offers
get
for
in the
my
car.
fee schedule. You know I'm
Sir,
telling the
please get in the
truth.
car.
You're going into
Please
this.
get in the car.
I'll get in the car for
Get in the car.
$500.
Get in
No,
the car.
you're forcing me. I'll get in the.
Get in the car.
I already conditionally accepted your offer
Get
for
in the
money.
car. Get in the car.
Dude,
Get in the car.
You're assaulting and battering me, and you're violating my rights.
Get in the car.
I conditionally accepted
your
your
knee.
offer
Watch
for
your
my
knee.
fee schedule.
Watch your knee.
No, dude, you can't put me in jail. You can't do
car.
this. You guys are going into I'm in honor. I can't be arrested for staying in honor. And my name is my property on the record. I recorded it with the county recorder. I said you can have my name, and that's not dishonor.
Alright, just have a seat in there, sir.
I'll loosen it for you.
Not, dude, really?
Go back and put a finger in there.
I mean, really?
Just get in the car, okay? It's going to make things a lot easier and you're not going to be in as much trouble.
I feel like you're threatening me, and
I'm not
I haven't.
threatening you, sir.
Yeah, you are threatening
Thank you very
me.
much, sir.
You're threatening me.
Since the car belonged to his mom, the cops tried calling her using Ronald's phone, but they couldn't reach her. They asked Ronald where his mom was, but he wouldn't cooperate.
Quick question. No, keep your feet in the car. Do not get out of the car. Do you understand me right now?
I'll stay in the car for $100.
Listen, you're
I'll stay in the car for $100. That's my conditional acceptance to your
How
offer.
is your relationship with your mother?
She's probably sleeping right now.
Okay.
Look, I'll answer all your questions for $100 per question, cash, in writing.
Okay, well, I'm trying to figure out what we're doing with your vehicle.
Well, you're taking me for no reason. That's not a vehicle.
Why isn't she answering the
That's
phone?
not a vehicle, it's a car. She's 85 years old, and I'll answer all the rest of your questions for $100.
All right, sir. Let's just do it.
They had to tow Ronald's vehicle, and then he got charged with a first-degree misdemeanor for resisting an officer without violence. He managed to post bond on the same day.